Welcome to another episode. In this episode, we will see the question how to unlock our ultimate potential. How to unlock our ultimate potential. That is the question. So, what is potential? The dictionary meaning of potential is having or showing capacity to develop into something in the future. You have the potential to develop something into the future. That capacity is known as the potential. That is latent qualities or abilities that may be developed and lead to future success or usefulness. The latent qualities which you have which may develop into a future success or usefulness. Unlocking a potential is by education. How to unlock a potential? You have to educate yourself on a particular field or many fields depending upon what you want to do. Learn the skills and practice the skills over and over so that you become expert. So that unlocks the potential in you in one field so that you become expert, or some fields so that you are good at many fields. It depends. But you educate yourself, learn the skills and practice the skills repeatedly. That is how you become, how you unlock your potential, become an expert. So that your innate abilities become expressed. But ultimate potential, what is ultimate potential? Here it is, the question is not about just potential, but the ultimate potential. What is the ultimate potential? It is yourself, right? It is yourself which is the ultimate potential, not something external. And what about you? These your skills or knowledge? No, more than that. It is the consciousness in you. That is the ultimate you can reach, right? The consciousness. That is what you are. That is what operates everything. So let us see how it is like that. We'll see a few quotes. I am that. First, from I am that of Sri Nisargadatta Maharaj. For you are not what happens, you are to whom it happens. Ultimately, even the observer you are not. You are the ultimate potentiality of which all embracing consciousness is the manifestation and expression. So next is J. Krishnamurti's quote from his second public talk in Ojai. When you say I want to achieve my potential, when I want to be a great success, you are differentiating between the potential and fulfillment. If you have the potential, then it will operate. You don't search out its fulfillment. The moment you say, I want to fulfill, then the self-centered activity begins. So when you say, I want to fulfill, it becomes a self-centered activity. Then we will see a quote from Rumi, from Complete Idiot's Guide to Rumi Meditations. Worldly accomplishments are fine, but we must not forget to fulfill the one task for which we have been created, to awaken ourselves to ultimate potential. And so, without any preparation, we have already embarked on the journey by realizing this one fact. Here is what Rumi comments. What's inside a fruit is better than what's on the outside. Likewise, think of your body as mere shell. What is your real friend? While its inner essence is your real friend. That's just it. Human beings have a valuable inner nature. Look for that alone if you are truly among those inspired by the breath of God. This is from Matnavi 3, 3417 to 3419. Next we will see Blitz Satchidananda, Truth Consciousness Bliss from Osho's books. The quotes from Osho's books. This is why in India we don't look upon God as the creator. We look upon it as the ultimate culmination, as the ultimate outcome. It is your ultimate flowering. Godliness is not at the first step of evolution. It is the ultimate peak. It is the Gauri Shankar of consciousness, the Everest, the Kailash of consciousness, the ultimate peak where all consciousness will ultimately reach, to where all are heading. Sooner or later, everyone has to reach this state. Your godliness in process each day. God is not an event that has already happened. It is a flow that is happening every moment. Godliness is happening each moment. It is growing within you. You are it soon. Aham Brahmasmi is a declaration of enlightenment. Literally it means I am the divine. I am the ultimate. I am the absolute. It is a declaration. There is no other God than my own inner being. This does not mean that it is a declaration of an individual, single individual about himself. It is the declaration of course by one individual, but it declares the potential of every individual. Every individual can become or is. It is not becoming. It is they already are the God, the ultimate. So it is not about oneself, one single individual. It is about the whole humanity. So that is the ultimate potential, to realize Aham Brahmasmi, or the God is in you. You are the God. So that is the ultimate potential. With this, we will end this episode. Stay with me for another episode. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.